Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact customer care on Jetstar Airways. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in jetstar.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Jetstar if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top of the screen, we have the deals, flights, holidays, hotels, Club Jetstar, where fly menu, and of course your account. And in the very middle of the screen, we can see that we have your, of course, option where you can go and book a flight. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact customer care at Jetstar Airways. So, firstly, what you need to do is go to the top right corner and click on the help option. And there, as you can see, you have the travel advice, you have some, of course, things that you can, of course, suggested articles, and you can search for a keyword or topic here. But in the bottom, you have the contact us button where you can go and actually directly contact them. So chat with Jets, as you can see. Hi, I'm Jet, Jetstar Virtual Assistant. I'm here to help you with your Jetstar questions. Then, of course, whatever you have, you can just go type here and click enter. And of course, the Jetstar assistant will help you with your problem. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.